Alrighty, what's up, guys? Evan Aldo here. So this is going to be Bitcoin and Ethereum. The case for around a 75k, 80k Bitcoin by the summer, and the case for a $6,000 Ethereum by the summer. There is a lot of evidence to support this. So if you've been watching my videos, you know that I'm pretty big on these RSI levels that are very low here. It's kind of similar to how they were, right now, kind of how they were in the summer. Look, at the end of July, and we came up, what percentage? About 132% gain. So why do I think this could just, happen again? You may be thinking, kind of arbitrary just to say, RSI is down. Why did we just come up 130%? Well, Bitcoin tends to repeat patterns. If you look here, what were these percentages in the corrections and the way up in the first leg of the bull run? They were all about 30%. This one was 25, 25, 30, around there. This one a little less, and then this one was 26. So high 20s, around 30. What are these two? Once we go into mini bear market here, we're getting 50% corrections all of a sudden. What's this one here? It's probably a little bit over a 50% correction, 51%, give or take 50%. Nothing's going to be exact ever, but say we, with the leverage trading, with mainstream people talking about crypto constantly, crypto commercials everywhere, leverage trading, just more and more people getting into it. There's more volatility in a longer like macro perspective rather than just up, straight away up down a little bit, rather than here. As the market cap gets too big, you're not going to be able to do that anymore. However, what you can do is you could have mini bear markets. You could get up to a place, like 70k, 65k, and so on and so forth, and then have some people knock it down. People get over leveraged. Then, you have a renaissance cascade here. You come all the way down. However, let's say we repeat that. Let's say we come up. It's going to be a little different or whatever. 130% would bring you up to around this area. Let's say 75, maybe 80k, 70, 80k range around here. When would this happen? In terms of that, type of distance, June, around here. So let's say we come up to here. Let's draw it out. Say we, gradually come up to here by, May, June, somewhere around there or whatever. And, maybe a little less, maybe with the spiral line, maybe here. The other thing too is, this is our new kind of macro bull market support level, this spider line. Just a quick wick down doesn't really mean much. We reclaimed it pretty fiercely, which is a good sign. Look right here, 1, 2, now you're hitting off of here. Say we come up, we get up to 80k, it gets knocked down again. People get over leverage, everybody's saying it's going over 100 or whatever, gets knocked down. Where would that line be? It would be that same area, I went below it a little bit. It would be right around here, be around 39, 40K. So we go to 40K, everybody thinks the bull run's over. Then, we repeat it, and then it's going to get crazy. This is in August of 2022. It's August of this year. We do the same thing again. And, what percentage would that be from here to here? 143%. So say it's a little bit more this time. Say this is the last time up. There's FOMO at the end after we get up to, say we're able to break 100. There's a lot of FOMO at the 100 area. Or say we get up to 100 or whatever, and that's our peak. Maybe it's just below it, severely, diminished returns from last cycle. You're getting, less than a 50x if you got in at the bottom. Rather, last cycle, I think it was $200 to 20K. Maybe you come up to here, speculative or whatever, and this is, end of 2022, early 2023, 100K. Maybe you get some FOMO at 100K, and that's when you get your parabolic blow off top, 150K. The last thing I want to show you, kind of, if we map this out, let's just draw, let's draw this up or whatever too. I had it drawn before, kind of, this is February. Maybe it'd be a little bit, earlier. And let's just remove this one so it gets simpler. Something like this. And you got up to here. Where would that peak be? How could we kind of estimate where that would be? This VWAP coming out indicative that we're going to hit a bottom by, March or whatever. Say, we come up to this one, come back down, then you come up, this is the last one here, and it's at this level. It's at this level right here. So where would our peak be? So It's from basically here to here in terms of, our distance. So here to here. So it'd be here to the top right there. Here to the top right there. About 300%. About 300% from where we are from our bottom, let's say. From our bottom at 33. 300% from there is, about 133K. So we have our blow off top in the beginning of 2023. I think it's a good possibility. I think it's a good possibility because if you look back at previous cycles, there are patterns that repeated. 2017 run, it just kept coming up, coming back 40%. This could come up, come back 50% with, people getting over leveraged and everything else going on. So there is a high probability for this. Now, if we repeat this pattern, I don't want to bore you with Ethereum. It would be similar. There's even more signs on Ethereum that we are bottoming out. Look at these RSIs, very similar to the length they were before we pumped up here. If you want to know the math, it would bring us up to about 6K by the summer. If Ethereum does go, kind of parabolic or whatever, it'd be this percentage. So it'd be this percentage from here to here, which our peak for Ethereum would be. And it's about 700%, which, let's say Ethereum, does double of what Bitcoin does. It's always outperformed, the last few years at least, especially in the last bull cycle. So 700% from the bottom here. Let's see where that would bring us to. 700%. About 17K maybe. And where would that be? What's the beginning of 2023? This, no, it wouldn't be 50K. No, what am I? Yeah, it'd be more of a, we're on a logarithmic scale. Maybe 17K. Blow off top, 17K, something around there, around that spiral line, maybe a little less. Maybe you don't quite make it there. It would be very interesting. It would be very interesting. I could see this definitely happening. This is what I'm thinking. I mean, in terms of beginning of 2023, it's kind of the latest I could see a cycle going. But, I don't think too many people are talking about this scenario, but I think it's definitely possible. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this speculative scenario. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the content. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. Check out my trading course. If you want to get into trading, check out my exclusive Discord below too. If you want to see some of my trading calls, all that type of stuff. I'm not right 100% of the time, but I'm right more often than I'm wrong, I would like to say. And if you want to create a new BITGET account, want to create a new FAIRDESK account, links in the description below. If you want to get Market Cipher, my link is in the description below with the coupon code as well. Check it out, guys. All right, goodbye.